Why doesn't fever medicine kill the infection? To understand this, let's dive into how our body reacts to infection and the role medication plays. When harmful microbes enter the body, our immune system springs into action. Fever is one of the body's natural defenses. It creates an environment where it's harder for microbes to thrive, effectively slowing down their reproduction. When we take fever-reducing medicines, like acetaminophen or ibuprofen, these drugs work by interacting with the hypothalamus in our brain, which acts as the body's thermostat. They lower the set point, making our body cooler and reducing the fever. But here's the crucial part. These medications don't target the actual germs causing the infection. Instead, they alleviate the symptoms, providing relief while the immune system battles the invaders. Why is this helpful? High fevers can be dangerous, causing dehydration and other complications, especially in young children or people with certain medical conditions. Fever medicine helps manage these risks by keeping fevers at a safer level. But remember, they do not eliminate the infection or speed up recovery. The actual work of fighting off bacteria, viruses, or other pathogens is done by our immune cells. This is why antibiotics or antiviral medications are prescribed for specific infections. They directly target and eliminate bacteria or viruses. However, not every illness requires these drugs. For example, most colds and flus are viral, and your body, with adequate rest and fluids, often clears them on its own. Taking fever medicine without addressing the infection can lead to misunderstandings about one's health. Feeling better after medication doesn't necessarily mean the infection is gone. Always consult a healthcare provider when you have concerns about fever or infection. Understanding the role of fever medicine helps us use them wisely, ensuring we aid rather than hinder our recovery process. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this information helpful, and subscribe for more insights into health and wellness. Stay curious, stay healthy.